Assalamu alaikum. I am Touhidul. My ID is 181235287. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today I am going to discuss about BLC, Blended Learning Center, a educational website developed by Daffodil International University. They have developed this website for their students and teachers so that they can conduct their online classes by this website. This platform is helping the students and teachers so much. There are many good features in this website which are so much helpful for the students and for the teachers also. Like there are good course sorting system. I can find any of course that I have registered in homepage, and by entering these courses I can easily find the topics, the class recording videos and other sections like the quiz, presentation, assignment, etc. So I like this feature most. Besides these good features, there are some bad effects also. Like there are random logout problem, there are page loading problem, etc. When a student or teacher tries to log in, they can easily log in, but after a few moments they randomly logged out, which is suffering the students and teachers both very much. And another problem is page loading problem. Whenever a student tries to upload something or trying to attend a quiz or a class, they can't enter because there are page loading problem, and after loading they got no page, like 504 or 404 page not found, etc. This like problems. So BLC should improve these problems. My suggestion to improve BLC is taking public review from students and teachers. By taking reviews from the users, how they are going through it and what they expect from this, and by doing this the authority can fix the bugs, and by fixing the bugs, all the bugs, they can improve this website. And another thing is, if they include a class video recording system like Google Classroom, this website will be so much helpful and so much developed. The students and teachers will do all things with class recording also from this one website. So this will be so much helpful. BLC is impacting my life positively so much, because in this pandemic situation all the activities of the schools, colleges and universities are currently stopped. But Daffodil International University is continuing their semester and educating their students easily by this website. Thus the students are getting benefits because they can easily complete their graduation in time by continuing their semesters in this pandemic situation also. So obviously this is helpful for us. I think that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.